Yung Backpiece Project Peep Session. Right. So, ang una natin ginawa dyan is yung geisha. Fully healed na yan. Lalo na yung hawak niyang kitsune. And then, niliningan natin yung tiger. Tapos yung dragon. So, dalawang session pa. Feeling ko tapos na yan. Ang kagandahan kasi sa ginagawa ko, wala na yung kaskas demonyo. Talagang slowly but surely para ma-enhance, more on quality, and then at the same time, mas lalo tayo mag-improve. Alright? 16 to 18, Station 2, Boracay. Baka may gustong mag-next tattoo dyan. And then, November 9 to 14, Taichung, Taiwan.